Next concept is strategic decision in retail. Strategic decision is nothing but a process undertaken by an organization to develop a plan for achievement of its overall long-term organization goal. When it is said as a retail market, the retail accomplish or it has some objectives or it has to fulfill its objective. The development of retail market strategy requires a careful analysis of two types of market environment. So strategic decision only planning or deciding in what way the retail has to go through in the environmental process. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ they have to plan or they have to implement certain decision or they have to take some decision on the basis of how to run their retail in an environmental condition. When it comes to a market, it has some competitors ಅವರಿಗೆ competitors ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. They have to deal with the political interference, that is payment of tax, all those. They have to deal with the situation, how the situation is there in a market. They have to see what type of customers are there in an surroundings, so they have to target the customers. So all these are the factors which influence on the strategic decision in retail. So the strategy is nothing but putting a plan to execute it into a retail sector. So as I said, there are two market environment. One is macro environment, which includes demographic, economic, socio-culture, technology, ecological force and political forces. So macro environment is nothing but which are external to the retail. As we all are aware nowadays. So what they have done, retail sector, they have gone through a technological basis to sell their product. They have used their online system to sell their product. So depending on basis of a technology, their impact to technology also relates. Economic forces, that is related to financial position of a retail sector. Political forces, that interference of the government sectors, that is payment of tax, or there are certain legal rules and regulation which has to be implemented by the retail sector. So these are the macros environmental forces. And second one is micro. Micro means small, which influence into a retail sectors, competitors. In a surrounding there will be a competitors, how to deal with a competitor. Suppliers, those who are supplying a product to a retail sector, they have to deal with the employees, shareholders, medias, customers. So all these are the micro factors which influence on the retail strategy. The one most thing is there are two market environment, that is macro and micro. There is So strategic decision requires careful analysis of two markets, that is macro and micro factors. When the decision is almost taken by the top authority, that those who are the retailers, head of the retailers, they have to plan how the retail or their retail has to go. So the idea or the decision which should be taken has a large impact on a retail sector. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ they cannot change it for a longer term. So the decision process in the retail is an important part in a strategy of retail sectors. So depending on the market environment, the decision process has to be taken by the retailers. The retail strategy planning process starts with identification of store's mission for the existence and hence scope of a retail store. Missions defines or it involves the store functioning, why the retail is there or why the retail store is there. So it explains the function, how the store will work, how it accomplished through day-to-day operation, what is emerging planning, what are the next plans So all this relates to a mission of a retail as well as the vision. Vision is nothing but which describes about the future. Vision statement, it extends a mission to an ideal future state. It is an actual goal of an retail sectors or the retail, so they will plan in such way what are the future aspect of that retail sectors. Mission and vision, it deals with the what is their actual vision, like increasing the profit or selling more goods, increasing in the sales. So mission is the purpose what is there in the retail. Vision is nothing but the future aspect which they want to reach. So strategic decision should be done on the basis of mission and vision also. Next, while deciding through a retail, the objective of doing store situation analysis is also as important. Means they have to look after what is their SWOT analysis, like what is the strength of a retail, what is the weakness of a retail sector, what is the opportunity they will get to achieve their goals, what are the threats involved in the retail. Like strength, if you consider what they can do, what the retail sector can, strength of our employees, how they can train their employees, whether the employees are loyal to store. So all this related to financial, whether they have proper finance to deal with this retail. So these are the strength which they have to recognize. Along with that, they have to also recognize the weakness. Where and all they can improve the retail sectors. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ they need to improve the retail sector along with the opportunity which they get. What are the goal and how to achieve that goal. So where and all they can get an opportunity, they has to grab that opportunity. Along with that, threats is obstacles, situation which they can face, like competitors ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So based on human resource, financial resource, physical resource, tangible and intangible resource, all the factors, SWOT analysis is nothing but identifying the strength, weakness, opportunity and threats in retail sector. Factors which influence strategic decision in retail. First one, target customers. Target customers, we know that all will not be our customer. Retail, some customers who will come to stores to a particular retail. They cannot say that all will be our customer. So there are some customer who can be targeted once they enter into a retail. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಂಥ ಕಸ್ಟಮರನ್ನು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್? ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಲ್ಸ್, how they target their customer, they ask their phone number, they give some offers, they keep in touch with the customers, like they send a message. So in this way they target the customer. So it is a specific type of retail operations, targeting the customers. Next one, store location. Location is a retail store should be located where market opportunity are best. A study of customers and shopping behavior should be made on the choose of location only. So, one retail sectors should be located in such a way where the population is more or where the consumers can be attracted more. So, along with that, not only that much, they should also see whether there is a parking space to and consumer to keep their vehicles. So location is a strategic decision because it take into account where customer will come from. Having a great location provide long-term competitive advantages. So once the retail sectors is done or once the retail store is done, they cannot shift it from one place to another. So location once set off will run for a longer period. Location is also important in retail strategic decision. Next, financial goals. The retail store is open, they, as I said, there is a objective, determination of objective, or they have to satisfy their mission and vision. So they, in that they have to see whether they need a short term profit or long term profit target, determining turnovers. So what will be the turnover, how much product they can sell in particular financial years. They have to take a product from our suppliers based on the financial position of them. So it is nothing but related to the financial money. Human resource which focus on employees or the members who will be working in the retail store. Staffing strategy is also important. Staffing a particular person, right person to a right job, is also important. Human resource is nothing but having a employees to that particular retail store. Next one, information system. So when the retail business or operations is there, the supply chain strategy for sourcing and delivering goods to be sold. That is, they have to collect each and every information of environmental factors which are necessary to manage the inventory, so that it is on hand for a customer when and where they want. So information system is nothing but collecting a data. So ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ information related to environmental factors ಬೇಕು, all the information should be kept collected. Next one, customer relationship management. The relation between a customer and the management or the person, those who are in the retail operations. So person who buys our good is a customer. So he should be, the relationship between the management and the customer should be good.